Hi everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. My name is Alice. I'm so happy to have you back in my December journal with me. I think this will be the last December journaling that I share this year. I am planning to finish my journal on Christmas Day and share the flip through next week. I hope it goes as I planned. So this week as well, I'm continuing to work with Daphne's diary cutouts and my digital kit holiday in my December journal, which I made out of Starbucks cup. You can watch the tutorial video, click the card at the top. So this was the first page I worked on. I covered the whole page with this beautiful photo about Ruth from Daphne's diary. I cut out the baker's twine at the corner. I thought I could use it somewhere, but eventually I didn't. So I added double-sided tapes right next to the hinging and then used glue stick. I'm cutting the material list for making a wreath to cover the text at the bottom on the left page. And then added a postal stamp and a label from my digital kit. When I glue things, I like folding them over to the next page because it adds some random interest next time I journal. I'm finishing the page with stickers which I was using in the last week's journaling too. This page was done really simple, but I was very happy because keeping the beautiful photo was my intent from the first place. So I moved on to the next page. This is a calendar card I found from Crepe Paper blog. I link it in the description box. They make free printable time to time and they are just beautiful and perfect with crepe paper collections. I'll also link other posts with free printable in Crepe Paper blog. If you like crepe paper style, I'm sure you'll love them. So I'm making a background. I just glued leftover piece from the first journaling session in this journal, the one with the star-shaped cookie. I made the left page kind of collage style, and before I glued the tag, I wanted to add a thread, of course. So I picked the cotton thread matches with the calendar card. I pulled out the die cuts that I kept using in this journal. I layered the pine cone under the card and added the stars around the page. The second page has done like this, but I had one more thing to add in my journal. This broad sign. Is it what they called? Anyway, from the moment I cut this out of Daphne's diary, I wanted to add it on the last page in my December journal. It's perfect for a last page. So I made a pocket on the inside cover and added little words from my digital kits on it. I added 3: happiness, love, and family. But I didn't notice that there's missing P in happiness when I was journaling. Now it is corrected in my kit, and if you purchased it before I corrected, I sent you a new version on Etsy message. And if you want PNG files, contact me on Etsy. There should be a little message to seller button on your order page. So back to the journaling, I thought something's missing at the top on the left page, so I cut a little strip of the booklet's back cover to add there. I used more of the booklet for the patterns. This booklet was the best thing in this month's Daphne's diary. Again, I'm folding over the excess to the next page and then added 3 beautiful snowflakes. Lastly, I stamped at the top on the left. It was a perfect place to stamp a date or a quote. I stamped "Remember this" and a fern next to it. So this was the first page that has beautiful wreath with traditional Christmas colors. And the second page has various shades of winter blues. I love it so much. I left this booklet page blank because my plan is writing next year's plan on it on the December 31st. I hope you enjoyed this journaling process. I enjoyed it very much. This journal is much smaller than my usual journals, so it is quite a change and a little bit challenging too. But I think change is good. It's good to keep changing and keep trying new things. So I think the next video will be a flip through of this journal, which will be up next Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Happy holiday! Bye bye!